Hey guys, so today I wanted to share some super easy and healthy snack ideas with you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoy. This video is in collaboration with soma.no, so everything that I use you can get from there, apart from like the produce and things like that, so I will link that down below along with a discount code in case you're interested, but let's go ahead and get into all of the recipes. So the first thing we are making are these crunchy banana coins, and I'm using the Helios granola, some cinnamon, and some crunchy chocolate peanut butter. And all you want to do for this is take the banana and just chop it into kind of thick slices or coins if you want. And then you just want to add the chocolate peanut butter on top. This one is from Urtekram, which you can get on Soma. And I just added a little bit on each of the banana coins, sprinkled some cinnamon on top, which this is Ceylon cinnamon, which is better for you and has less bad stuff for you than other regular cinnamon. And then I just topped it with some crunchy granola, and that is it. And this one is even boyfriend approved, so I highly recommend you try this out. It is super delicious. The next thing is some mashed avocado on crisp bread, and for this I am using the Helios crisps or crackers and some hemp seeds that are from Supernature. And this kind of seeded crisp bread like this is my favorite. This one is so good, so I highly recommend that you try it out. But this snack is super simple. All you want to do is smash some avocado on top. You could also use rice cakes for this, or quinoa cakes, or anything like that. That would be super delicious as well. Then I just squeeze some lemon juice on top of that, because I love adding lemon to avocado. A little bit of sea salt or any salt that you prefer, and also a little bit of black pepper. And then I top mine with some hemp seeds. I love adding hemp seeds on top of my mashed avocado. I feel like it gives it a little bit of an extra touch, more flavor, more protein, and I also added some chia seeds as well, and it was super delicious. And the perfect brain fuel. The final recipe is the Spirulina Bliss balls with chocolate, and for this I'm using Supernature Cacao, Helios dates, Supernature Spirulina with mint and cacao, which this powder just makes these balls so much more delicious, and then also some coconut oil and some oats. So my dates were already pitted, so I just added them to some warm water and let those soak for a while to make them more soft and easily blendable. Then I just added all of my ingredients to my food processor, so I added the oats, and then the coconut oil, some cacao powder, and this one is raw, so it has all the minerals that you want. Then I added a teaspoon of the spirulina, mint and cacao, which is so good and packed full of good things for you. Then I added the dates in there as well after they'd soaked, and then I just blended everything up in the food processor. So I kept blending until it was kind of like a dough that stuck together, and then when I had my desired consistency, I just grabbed some pieces and rolled them into balls. And also, if you don't have this spirulina thing, you can make it without or with regular spirulina as well. And then you can refrigerate them and have them on hand for whenever you need a pick-me-up. These are so good for you. I will leave a link to some benefits of spirulina down below in case you're interested. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, you can substitute any of these for things that you have on hand, but if you want to check everything that I used out, I will have them in the description box below, along with the discount code to soma.no, so definitely check that out, and thank you so much for watching.